The first problem asks you to divide multiples of 10, 100, or 1,000. If you were to observe the pattern, what conclusions can you draw? We go from 650,000 to 65,000 to 6,500 to 650 to 65. First off, what number is being added on every single time? Or in this case, taken away every single time? It's a 0. First you have 4 zeros, then you have 3, then you have 2, 1, and 0. Every time you have a 0, it represents a multiple of what? 10. So, your pattern is decreasing by multiples of 10. One way you could check your work is to take 65 times 10. And there's a way you could check your work to make sure that it was dividing by 10. If you weren't sure, you could multiply 65 by 100. And then that would tell you if the next answer was 650 or not, which number is being divided. Number 2, 300 divided by 50. Now, here is a trick for you. How many zeros are over here? 1. How many zeros are over here? 1. So you can go ahead and get rid of a 0 that they share. Now, your new problem is 30 divided by 5. What is 3 divided by 5? 6. So 300 divided by 50 is 6. Another way that you could solve this is just by counting by 5s up to 30, like we talked about today in class. Because 5 times 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, bam. How many times did it take me to get up there? 6. Now it's 50, so you have to add a 0 every time. 50, 100, 150, and so forth until you get up to 300. Number 3, 76 divided by 4. Which one is the divisor, 4, and which one is the dividend? 76. I'm asking myself, how many groups of 4 can go into 76? So the very first thing that I'm going to do is ask myself again, how many groups of 4 can go into 7? Or, I'm sorry, I have 7 cupcakes. Can I take 7 cupcakes and break them among 4 people? The answer is yes. How many times can you do that? Once. 4 times 1 is 4. Now, if you don't remember what's next, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So I just did my does, I just did my McDonald's, so now I need to sell. Subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Am I done? No, because my stopping point was right there. So I need to move my stopping point over, bring down the 6. How many times can 4 go into 36? Or I ask myself, if I have 36 cupcakes, how many times can I equally share them among 4 people? The answer is 9. Now I just did my does, McDonald's, 9 times 4, sell, cheeseburgers. Check it. 19 times 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So, my correct answer is 76.